Houston out inside 60 seconds.
I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody. The king is back. The king is back.
This win over Conor will be huge. Conor's the biggest fight in mixed martial arts you can get. I'm gonna stop Conor.
That's fighting. Fight isn't a fight until there's something to overcome.
I'll never quit here. I'll die in here. This is what I do. I live for this.
I'm gonna get my hand raised by any means necessary.
Well, what a way to begin our pay-per-view slate for 2021. And with that backdrop of drones, we are thrilled to welcome you to UFC 257, Poirier versus McGregor 2, brought to you by the official frozen meal of UFC, Never Just Eat, Devour. Closed captioning for tonight's broadcast is brought to you by P3, the official protein snack of UFC. UFC 257 is brought to you in high definition by Universal Pictures' Nobody, starring Bob Odenkirk. Never underestimate a nobody, in theaters only, April 2nd. And with that, thank you so much for being with us.